We're on, I think. Yeah, we're on.
So you could just see a stack of old amplifiers.
Yeah, they're looking at the stack of old amps there, yeah, over there, yeah.
The camera's
Yeah.
at the front.
Yeah, it's not at the front, no.
No.
See, guys, this is how it looks in our little studio thing over here. Well,
Can you zoom that out a bit and see what's
Try.
underneath it?
wrong thing, yeah.
Rich has a little bit
Sorry
of
for the backlit thing. I can't correct this on this camera. Yeah, this is Richard's currently workload because he's doing amplifiers for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, they're all for repair.
Yeah,
And there's more.
he's getting famous that he can repair anything.
Yeah. The island, it brings all the crap they're bringing from the island. We're bringing over here. And,
Yeah, it's good and bad, I guess.
But I have something really interesting coming over to repair.
Okay.
I switch you to the normal camera. Yeah,
Okay,
so
yeah.
they see that it's really us.
We are.
No, we're not we're not AI generated.
Shall we get the
It's us.
hairdryer out under the desk to get the blower? You might need blowing.
That sounded bad.
So-
Oh yeah,
that's a bad start, mate.
That's a bad start. Oh God, already.
Hopefully not out of context clips.
Okay, so yeah, I had a text actually on WhatsApp from somebody in Lanzarote, which is an island quite near to us.
Yeah.
One of the Canary Islands, about 10 days ago, and he said he'd found me on my Facebook.
Oh.
I said, well, that's funny because I haven't used it for 4 years. I don't use it.
20 years.
I'm bad. I thought I was bored. I can't log in. It says I'm bored, but the thing's still there.
Yeah.
So he says I've got to provide my ID.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a fake account anyway. Well, anyway. So we won't get there. So this guy got in touch with me and asked me if I can repair ECUs.
ECUs for cars.
For cars, yeah, ECUs. So,
Oh yeah, that's the thing you told me about. Yeah.
yeah, so I'm just telling these guys. So he's actually sent it to me now. That's the finished story. So this guy, he's got a Toyota Land Cruiser in 1997 one.
Okay.
Now this might sound strange to you guys out there, but Carlos will tell you and Det that we have a lot of old cars on the island.
Yeah. People don't buy new here mostly. They buy second hand, so they keep going around here.
Yeah. So these 25 and 30-year-old cars and vans, and also because it doesn't rain here, although we have the salt air, the salt air seems to put a coating on the metal, but it doesn't seem to rot it in the same way that.
Yeah, in England or Sweden.
Like in England, it just turns to a heap of rust.
Yeah, Sweden, you have a big hole in the bottom after 10, 20 years.
Yeah, yeah. In fact, on our MOT or ITV, inspection technical vehicle here, they don't even check for.
I was there yesterday, and no, they don't.
They don't even check. So your Volvo, how old's your Volvo?
It's from 2003, the grey one, and the red one is 2005. So.
Yeah, and my Nissan van is 1999. And this is 97. So anyway, the guy got in touch and he said that he'd had some problem which he thought was a fueling issue. I think it must be a diesel, this thing, a Land Cruiser. He'd put new injectors on and all these things he'd tried and it made no difference. And he'd been on the internet. I love this. Somebody says, oh, I've been on the internet and I know what's wrong with it. Can you fix it? And what he said is that it's well known on this model that the capacitors in the ECU start to leak. Now in 1997, these will be normal wet aluminium capacitors. In fact, he even sent me a photo of it actually. If you just give me a second.
Most cars nowadays use solid state capacitors instead in cars, in boats and stuff because of the durability issue. So that's pretty uncommon, and from that date it's the capacitor plague as well.
Yeah, the capacitor plague was slightly after, but I mean certainly they are old.
Yeah.
I'm just going to find the guys. Yes.
Oh, sorry.
I'll just get his details out of the way so we can just.
Yeah. I don't want to dox the poor guy.
Okay, so.
There we go. That should be.
That should be enough.
Mm-hmm.
So he's just talking to me.
You put it closer. There we go. Yeah.
So encircled in red, these are the capacitors, which it says on the internet, need to be replaced.
Okay, that seems a fair assessment because it's only the wet ones. I see another one he missed, the one to the right of the left one.
Yeah, there is at least another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there, and there's the smaller ones up here.
I would change all of them honestly.
Yeah, he actually asked me to change all of them.
Yeah, okay.
So I have this coming in to repair, and he's actually posted it now. It's on its way over from Lanzarote. And it occurred to me that my 1999 Nissan Vanette 2.3 diesel has an issue. It won't start if it's cold.
Yeah.
And cold is relative here. Cold is like at 18 degrees or something.
In the shade.
Yeah, put it in the shade, it's a bitch to start. But if you leave it in the sun, it starts fine.
Yeah.
Especially, in the afternoon, it'll start fine. And I was thinking, well, what can be causing that? And I'm wondering if I've got bad capacitors in my ECU as well.
That could be one of the cases. It could also be the vacuum leak if you have one.
Joey suggests a cold start valve. And I'm just reading this because I have no clue what this thing is.
Richards doesn't have one.
Bicycle.
It's the van doesn't have one what I could see.
Greg says, so it wouldn't start at minus 40
No.
Celsius.
No.
No.
I wouldn't start at minus 40 Celsius anyways.
No, me neither. I'd stay indoors.
I mean, here, cold at night is 14.
Yeah, I mean,
14, yeah.
14 is cold. I mean, most nights.
This is 60 degrees to where we live now, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had 28 last weekend. It was my birthday. By the way, my birthday a week ago. And we went out.
Yeah, happy birthdays to Richard.
Come on, all sing with us. Happy birthday to you.
I don't sing.
Happy birthday to you.
You play the drums then.
Happy birthday, dear Richard. Hold the tone, hold the tone, hold the tone. Stay on this. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
And half of them fainted.
So it was my birthday. Yeah, it was 28 centigrade on my birthday.
So you turned 42, right?
Again. Again. Yeah, 21. Yeah.
He's younger than me.
Yeah. So I'm thinking, well, why would the van start if the sun's been on, so it's warm in the cab? But when it's not, it won't start because you think the engine block, but on a daily cycle, so in this time of winter it's like 22, 23 in the day, and maybe 18 at night. You think that wouldn't make a difference, but it does.
Yeah, it's exactly in that gray zone because a vacuum leak does the exact same because the air is less dense when it's hot and more dense when it's cold.
Okay.
And it could be that you get too much air into the system when it's cold.
Lon asked a very important question. Are you a Taurus then?
No, I'm an Aries. April 17th is Aries.
Oh.
I think from the 21st it changes to probably a Taurus.
Yes, sir, it does.
Oh, you a Taurus?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you were a little bit later, you'd be a Gemini. I think.
No, not doing the wuss thing there.
I'm just a Scorpio.
Yeah.
I am a born asshole.
So I don't know, guys. What do you think? I mean, it's coming in for repair, so we have something interesting to look at. Let's look around it. Let's play with the ECU.
It sounds interesting because normally that's not an issue anymore with cars. But yeah, wet capacitors do fail after a while. Always. They do last longer if they're not from the capacitor plate. But there could be a cracked solder joint as well. Because expansion and retraction also affected by heat.
Okay. Well, I gave the guy a price.
Yeah.
And I said, this is the cost, parts and the work. And I said, I cannot guarantee this will make any difference. Because effectively, you were saying to me, you change those parts.
And you can't test this.
And I can't test it.
No, you have to have it in the car to test that.
No, I mean, the car does run, but it's got some fueling issues. So it doesn't run very well.
Run roughly.
It runs roughly.
As long as he changes out the lambda sound, the lambda sensor in the exhaust, because that also does fueling problems.
Don't look at me.
No, I know.
I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
It measures the exhaust and then calculates how much fuel it needs. It's nothing special, really. It's just
he just asked me to change the capacitors, and I got back to him, and then he says these 6 electrolytic, which are the ones I just showed you, are the ones which are problematic in automatic IKZT, blah, blah, that's the model of the thing.
But if it's a common issue, there is probably a problem.
It's a common known issue on the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 1997. 1KZ-TE engine manual transmission. Interesting guy, because he says he comes from New Zealand originally.
New Zealand? Yeah. There is a lot of people from the entire globe here on this little island, really. I've met people from all over the place.
Yeah, a lot of people wash up here.
Yeah.
We all did.
We all did.
True.
So we have that to look at. That's something a bit different.
Old gas, yeah, that would be a problem if it's stale. You are right about that, Paul.
But we can't.
We can't diagnose.
Yeah, we don't
that.
have the car here, so.
Yeah, we don't have.
When you get to we only get to ECU then.
Yeah, we don't have the car. He just says his mechanic has taken the ECU off for him, etc.
Lawn dog, same mass airflow sensor will do the same thing with reduce or increase the amount of fuel. So yeah, there's a lot of parts to a car that work together to calculate the fuel injection.
So mine's a turbo diesel.
Yeah,
I mean, it's only a small turbo, but if the turbo wasn't working properly, would that cause?
Yeah, it will probably not even start because your car is tuned for the turbo being working.
Right.
So if you without the turbo, your car's pressure in the cylinders will be too low.
Yeah. But Carlos knows because he was there with me. I started van a week or so ago.
Yeah.
Moving a washing machine.
Yeah.
And you said it overfueled and then it started.
Yeah. So it's puffed out a cloud of vapors from the diesel, and that indicates that it's leaking slightly. Because if it's completely drowned, it won't start at all. But it did start, so it's probably a slow leak from one of the seals.
And then once it starts, it's fine, isn't it? It doesn't stutter.
It runs smoothly.
It runs smooth.
So that's why I think it can be a vacuum leak, because the vacuum leaks fix itself with lower air pressure. The hotter it is, the lower it is. And it can also be the capacitors, actually, because I'm not sure what your ECU looks like.
Well, we're going to find out.
Yeah.
So we have two ECUs coming in. We have mine, if we can figure out how to get it off the van, and we have the other one from the Toyota Land Cruiser.
Yeah, I would have done it for you, but I can't be crawling under your passenger seat right now.
Is that where it is?
It's actually in front of the passenger side, under the
glove compartment.
Glove box.
I think the glove box comes out.
Yes,
after that. Okay.
I checked a few videos and a few forums, and yes, it should be there.
Okay, maybe you can come and direct me.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have that. So we have two ECUs. We have mine and this, guys. Let's see if we can see.
I have all the tools you need as well.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so that's coming. I have something else hidden behind here, which I'll show you a bit later. Do you guys have anything exciting this week?
I quit my band.
Oh, nothing electronic then?
No, sorry.
99 plate, yeah, OBD1, and it's actually OBD2. They started earlier here in Europe with OBD. 95 and up has OBD already.
What's OBD?
OBD is the onboard computing. You can check error codes.
Oh, okay.
I have the scanner.
Okay.
We can check that as well on yours. Actually, I haven't thought of that, but yeah, we can.
Oh, we can make a bit of an on-site video.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can make a quick on-site video. Yeah, sure.
So some of you guys repair auto electronics then?
So I think Joey sounds like he
knows what he's doing.
He knows what he's doing, and Lawn Dog obviously knows also.
Yeah.
And Paul has some interesting theories. Yeah, I think you could ask the Swarm there if you need.
I taught myself how to fix cars because I was poor in Sweden, so I couldn't afford fixing it in the mechanic.
Are there poor people in Sweden?
Yeah, there are actually. Poor is relative because I still had more money than I do now, but everything's so expensive.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, true. Do you know I was in Carrefour yesterday? This is a big out-of-town supermarket, Carrefour, and they got bottles of whiskey, Scotch whiskey.
Yeah.
For €6.95
euros. For 2 liters.
Well, no, I think that was 70 CLs, but even so, for €6.
Then it's expensive.
Oh, expensive. There we go. not for whiskey.
Yeah. There are cheaper ones.
Okay. Yeah.
You probably only can use this to clean. Don't know. Grease from a transmission or something.
Yeah.
This is.
Yeah, no, they're not very good. But yeah, if you're going to mix them in drinks, it's fine.
Yeah,
actually.
Exactly.
If you just want the alcohol content, it's fine.
So, shall we talk about these things?
You wanted to talk about these things. Talk about these things.
Okay, so hopefully a lot of you guys saw the video. So these are the TDA72. Well, it says 7294 on the bag now.
This is your handwriting.
This is my handwriting. So if this is the same bag they originally came in, no, this was capacitors.
Grab one and show them one.
I'll show them one. This was a bag full of. So that's these things.
Okay. Amps.
amplifiers. So these are marked TDA7293.
Of course, we can't get this in the right direction, in the right angle.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah.
TDA7293.
Yeah.
And I put one of these in one of these. The ones which are originally in amplifiers were both blue. You got holes in them. I mean, they were really blue, big chunks missing out of them. So I put one of these in from AliExpress, and I put the current limiter on, and straight away I can see the whole thing's drawing out a hell of a lot of current.
Yeah.
The light bulb's on almost full. It's very bright. And I just disconnected the plus and minus 40 or 50 volt rails which go to these, and it's that's where the current was going. So I did a bit of research and I put this on the video, and the video said that these fake ones are almost certainly TDA7294.
Yeah.
And the 7294 is working voltage rails plus and minus 40. And these ones are plus and minus 50. So yes, if you can get it on the screen.
Okay, so yeah, the rating is lower and probably cheaper as well.
Probably cheaper as well, because when they make fakes, they've got to be a fake which is a something else which is being remarked. They're not actually going to manufacture these things as fakes.
Yeah.
So that's the actual thing. So I read online, it told you how to test them, because on this 7293, two of the pins, this one, pin 5, clip detect, and pin 11 are used.
Oh, it's clip that.
Clip det, clip det.
Yeah.
That's a haircut. Yeah. So on this, these two pins, 11 and 5 are used. On the 7294, if you find the data sheets, those two pins are not connected.
I'm not connected.
So in the diode mode, you can measure on them or resistance, and if you see a reading
open,
if they read open, they're fake. So I thought, okay, so these are 7294, and I wasn't sure whether the voltage rails on this amplifier were actually more than plus or minus 40.
Listen to the people. They're all saying, don't trust AliExpress. This is what I was saying last week.
Okay.
I've been lucky.
We were sitting around and we talked about fake transistors.
Yeah, we were talking about them in a bit.
Yeah, and transistors, and I was saying, this is something for customers. This is not something we use. So everything you buy for this, you simply let the customer pay.
Yeah.
So I said, just buy from Mauser.
But that was worthy from Mauser.
They weren't more expensive, but you know, now you have to send them back and forth and back and forth.
Oh, yeah,
so
we'll come to that.
This will take 3 or 4 weeks till we got them over here, because to the Canaries it's always.
Well, we'll talk about transistors in a minute. That's
okay.
Yeah.
No.
So
it applies to this thing too.
Yeah. So anyway, basically, I had a look. I measured. I took the chips out and I measured, and the voltage rail was about plus and minus 40, even though it didn't want to take 50. So I powered this thing up from my bench power supply, plus and minus, and cranked the voltage up until it started to pass a lot of current. And it was failing at about plus and minus 20. So I think that whatever they faked were actually rated at plus and minus 18. But what would they be? Has anybody any idea what they would have been originally? Because plus and minus 18 seems to be about the maximum working they will take.
Don't they have lower power ones?
Well, there must be this. I'm asking them guys. I mean,
well, I remember in all these amplifiers that I have at home, there are always something like these inside. TDA 2040. Yeah. Is this right, guys? Is this an audio amp? I have no clue.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Yeah, and they are pretty much the same here, and they normally run on plus minus 18 or plus minus 15.
They're 12 volts.
Yeah,
12 probably not.
Because I was thinking if I can figure out what they basically are, I'll keep them and just use them for replacing those.
For what they are.
You need to spend the time. So for me, this would be the thing. I need to spend the time testing these. Now I need to figure out what are they. Blah 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 blah. If I get them from Mauser, I simply grab them, smack them in there. Works.
If you want the price from AliExpress, but the reliability of Mauser, buy from LCSC.
Oh yes,
LCSC would work. Yeah, would work too. Yeah.
They actually test their stuff before they send them out, so you get a good batch.
Yeah.
But in some cases you cannot do that. For example, old chips, CPUs,
this was
memory chips for old systems.
We were talking about this, but
just forget it.
And it was a transistor that isn't available in Mauser.
So
I simply asked Gemini, what's the drop-in replacement? And Gemini told me, oh, you simply use this one.
Yeah.
And these were available on Mauser.
Mostly you can you can do that. You can just check for a replacement.
Yeah.
There are some occasions that there aren't any. Then you have to go the old route and find the old stock, and yeah, it's a pain in the ass. And sometimes AliExpress has old stock, and I bought some, and they actually work. So
I'm not saying that this fails all the time.
No. I agree.
You know, if I have a customer here, if I have I'm doing this for a customer. I know the customer pays this anyways. It's not me that's paying.
No.
Then
it's
the
fine.
time I need to spend to check everything out, is everything working, da 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 da.
Yeah, no.
This is my time. Nobody pays me for that.
Well,
if it's for me, I don't care. But yeah, if it's for a customer, yeah, it's different.
okay, so we'll continue this discussion. So these are transistors. So these were from AliExpress, right?
Sorry, focus.
Oh, these were fake too then.
Well,
These were the ones we talked about.
these are fake. Now, what put me on the fact these are fake? Let me just give you one of these transistors. Right, what do you think?
Oh, crap. They're empty.
And I was going for, so what?
This is an empty shell.
No, they're not empty shells. There is something in them.
You sure?
Yes.
It's really light. It's
Okay.
No, you need to break one open.
No, we don't. We're not going to break any open.
Yeah, I actually can't. It's so-
Fridge magnets. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Connect my
Yeah, the tester.
tester to it.
So this is a peak. So this is a reputable.
Yeah.
Is this a word?
Yeah, reputable.
Reputable.
You just put the emphasis on the wrong syllable.
Ah,
That's all.
damn it! It's a German. It's a German thing again.
Yeah.
Why didn't you connect the green one?
Oh, because Carlos did it.
Sorry.
Just
sorry.
asking stupid questions. Here.
Sorry,
This is a stream where I
haven't
simply
slept.
That's why it says it's a diode junction.
Yeah.
Okay, on.
I haven't slept well. Sorry.
something is anal on there. So
Oh, it's pure.
PMP silicon.
So there is something in them. They're not empty tins.
But if we open the tin, there's
Well-
probably a smaller one
Well,
inside.
we don't need to open the tin because what we can do is.
Tony, absolutely with you. Obsolete parts are things without equipment, but sometimes there are replacement parts, and you know, this is one AI question, and I know my answer there.
Well, so what we can do is. So this is the high voltage tester.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now you guys can look up the data sheet for these MJ15023.
Let me try to get better in there somehow.
Sorry for the shaky cam.
That one, okay. If you look up the data sheet for these transistors, it says
150/23.
it says the voltage collector emitter maximum is 250 volt.
Yeah.
The original ones were the 15022, which is 200 volt, and then the 15 amp, whatever, the 150 watts or something. So that's the transistor. So if I connect between the collector emitter with my high voltage tester, it should withstand up to 250 volts.
Yeah,
Before it breaks down. So which is the collector, which is the...
yeah, that's a good one.
Warwick, long time no see, mate. Great that you're back. Hope you're fine.
So
It will
London
tell
says
you now.
again what happens with a Chinese factory that makes semiconductor and something goes wrong manufacturing. Where do these parts go? Probably into AliExpress, because
Yeah.
if they're out of spec, they get thrown away or they get on a dumpster, and somebody walks around and simply collects those and resells them.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So
Agreed.
if you got rejects,
hold them.
they get resold,
Okay.
so you hold that on.
and they
It should
resold.
clip on.
They're probably resold
Yeah,
on
they do.
AliExpress and all the likes.
Can we get the thing and
I don't know if you can.
analyse it? Okay, so it's going to tell us.
Which of the legs is which?
So blue is the emitter and red is the collector.
So blue.
Blue and the can. So blue is the emitter and red is the collector.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Blue and the can then.
yeah. So we're going to connect the red lead to the can.
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry.
We have it
Yeah, there. And the other one goes
onto the emitter.
emitter.
And because this is a bipolar transistor, we don't have to worry about the base floating. It can't float
No.
like a MOSFET can. And we're going to turn the voltage on. We're going to switch on, yeah.
Mhm.
And I'm going to gradually turn the voltage up until it stops increasing. Look, 12.7.
And then it stops. Yeah.
So that breaks down at 12.7 volts, not 250.
That's a grave misrepresentation.
I mean, yeah. So there you go. 12.5 volts. The thing breaks down. So this is a low voltage. I don't know what the current rating is, but this test is non-destructive. Okay.
That's a good test actually.
Yeah, so that's a really good test. So what I did is then, I bought they cost about €14 for the 20 of them. Okay?
If they were real, that's really cheap.
14 or €15 they cost for 20 of them. So I then made a very short video using this tester, do exactly what we've just done. Yeah. I also measured the gain. So the gain maximum was 60 of the original. These are 135. So they're well out of spec. So I made a very short, like 1 minute video. Went on to AliExpress, went to the seller. I'd had them here for a couple of weeks. I said they're unused. They're either fake or faulty. I showed them the video, and within like I think it was almost automatic. This thing just came back, said ping.
Your money's back.
No, yeah, your money's back, and print off this label. So it just gave me a link, which was this thing, which is printed off. I would print this from Newtoner, and that's a prepaid postage to send them back. So it isn't an issue with them. Just send them back. I've got the money back and send them back.
Yeah, AliExpress is really good with that. I have never had an issue returning something that's broken or fake or whatever.
Yeah, that's true. And returning something from the island is still a pain in the butt.
Yeah, but it's still. It says pack return. They pay for it.
But again, even if they pay for this and everything goes well,
you still have to go down.
You have to go down to the post office.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
This is all that accumulates on the price of the repair.
Okay, so agree. So the situation I have now, these are off this 40-year-old amplifier. They're from 1985. The guy wanted fixing, and if I'm fitting these 15023, I need to replace all of them, the whole bank. And there's 7 banks of 7 MPN and there's 7 PMP. Okay, so the transistors that Det found were about €4.50 each, roughly. But I need 14.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
the price of the repair.
The problem is then 14 of these transistors at €4 something each.
The repairs are going to be too expensive.
It's going to be too expensive to repair.
I got you. I feel you. But so again, the other way around, I'm guessing here that I get something that maybe works.
Yeah. So what I've done is
not a good start.
Yeah. So what I've done now is I've ordered again from AliExpress, and I paid about €18 for 5 of them, rather than €14 for 20.
You have better chance.
€18 for 5 of them, and I think I've got a better chance. And then I'll just do the same test. If they don't work, they can go back.
And then you end up with fake parts again. How much time do you want to spend on that?
And then they print a label and you just go back again. It's not the point. The point I'm trying to make is that in this instance, the only way I can effectively repair that amplifier for him is by finding a supplier. I often on AliExpress I look for people selling pulls, so they're selling like used ones which you've taken off old amplifiers.
I do that as well.
And if I find used pots from AliExpress, I've never had a problem with them because they do a basic test to see that they're okay.
That they start to do basic functionality. Yeah, I bought special MOSFETs and stuff for old video game consoles that were pulled. Yeah. And they work just fine. Yeah. So, when you buy brand new, that's when the fake ones come.
And especially these devices are obsolete. That's the problem.
The problem is you want a bargain, especially when you fix so many. Yeah. Like you do. You want to buy extras, but buying extras when they're so expensive, like €4 or €5 each, it hurts.
Yeah, €5 for 14.
And you probably have some working things in there, so you can do the pulling yourself. Simply smack in the new ones, and you're done. Yeah. I mean, I'm totally with. There are some people here who agree with me, and some people who agree with you. So we probably agree to disagree here.
I think, we can.
I'm in between both of you. I know the value of time with that.
Yeah, this is my value. Yeah, because I think if a transistor costs if the transistor bank costs 60 bucks, that's fine. That's 1 hour of work for me.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And if I have to spend 1 hour of work, I cut the net gain in half.
Yeah. So, but I do get Richard as well because I am a bargain hunter. I am both.
With stuff like microcontrollers. Microcontrollers, either they work or they don't. Yeah. There's no gray area. There's no they only work until 5.7 volts or something. Could
you get fake microcontrollers that might run at the proper frequency?
Not the ones I normally use.
I got a few that were under spec.
But we had, for example, we had 80 Tinies 85 that didn't work. They actually were fake, and these are chips that cost only $1 or something.
Yeah.
So makes you wonder. Yeah, and
But
Joey, Mauser Digital, Fauna, ORS.
Yeah.
Couldn't have said it better.
Agree, Joey, but they are expensive. I've tried to get a replacement, what's it called, a video encoder chip for upscaler. They want 190. The upscaler cost 90 euros.
Yeah. I mean, the other.
It's because it's out of production, so
Yeah.
it's hard to get.
Yeah.
It's a ADV chip.
Isn't there a new one in there? Okay,
No,
okay. So
you know, you can't get new ones. So I actually had to default to AliExpress, and I did get a chip for 12 euros, and that was.
but this is for you. This is for you, right?
Yeah, it was for me.
So totally different story. Because if you're doing this for yourself, it's a labor of love. You can spend as much time as you want on that.
Yeah.
But I have to. I would buy the owl when I do a repair.
Yeah. True.
I think another consideration with this as well, those amplifiers we all saw at the beginning, that stack of amplifiers to repair, those all belong to the same customer that this vintage amplifier belongs to. So if it takes time to get some good parts here on that job, it's not an issue.
He
doesn't need it back when I fix it. If I fix it. And I've got that stack of 4 more jobs of this to do anyway there. So yeah. That's another issue.
That's another thing.
But I got another. We had this discussion lots of times.
We do.
Yeah, we're doing this all the time. Every other week we're doing this discussion. For me, this is what's the price of one of these amps? If I need to pay, say, a third of the price for a repair for these amps, I'm still game. Because if I need to spend $1,000, just a number in there, and the repair costs $300, that's fine. You can't get a replacement part for this price. So repairing is a good thing.
Yeah, I mean that FP 10,000Q I repaired, which was a copy.
Yeah, this is week.
It's a copy. Right? He said those copies are about 600 or 700 euros, and I charged him 75 just to change those transistors. Just one short circuit transistor, so it was an easy job. And that's what 75.
So 75, that's the labor and the parts.
Oh, actually, no, I didn't pay for the part. Okay, so
he had the parts.
He had the parts. Well, I said to him, I said I need the transistors. I said I can order them from China, but we have the electronics store in Las Palmas, and he got them from there. So he paid me 75, and he paid for the parts as well.
So we can get these from.
Yes, he did. That's how I fixed them. These chips, he got me 2 from Las Palmas, and they were good. I don't know how much you paid for them, but
one of these old mom and pop electronic stores where it's not mom and pop, but there's cables everywhere. And you ask the guy, "Do you have this transistor?" He goes, "Oh, of course, yeah." So,
It goes,
how many do you need?
And he goes to a random drawer and just picks it out immediately.
It's a bit like being in Hogwarts for electronics.
Yeah, it is. He
has small baggies he made himself with electronics projects as well. Mixed in together. Yeah, it's really cool. When I moved here, I went there a few times because we lived down in Las Palmas. So it was fun going there. But he is expensive for specific parts.
Yeah. But this is the price you pay for having everything in stock.
Yeah, exactly.
Of course.
Yeah.
If you need a turnaround from if I would need anything tomorrow, I would say, okay, let's drive to Las Palmas and be prepared to pay premium.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Convenience costs. So.
Exactly. Yeah. So we got some from there. He only had 2 in stock of those 7293s, but they were both good.
Somebody asked, Paul what's about Radio Shack? I think Radio Shack is a American thing.
Yeah, it doesn't exist here.
We didn't have this in Germany, I think.
Isn't that the same thing as what became RS Components, Radio Shack?
Oh,
maybe.
Paul says Tandy here, so Tandy I think is American.
We had Tandy in the UK in the 70s.
Yeah, they sold the computers in Sweden as well.
Super Rascal! Yo man!
They were absolute crap, but yeah, they sold them in Sweden as well. But we didn't have Radio Shack. It was sold by a subsidiary of some building company in Sweden.
And Greg says Radio Shack is no more.
Radio Shack.
Yeah,
no,
Radio Shack is probably...
It didn't become RS. They were 2 different. RS Components was originally named as Radio Spares.
Oh, okay. It was in the UK a long time ago, says Joey.
I remember Tandy in the 70s. And we had Tandy.
Yeah, Tandy did exist in Sweden as well, but they were so crappy compared to the Commodore, which was popular at the same time. There was no comparison.
I always thought they were the same as Radio Shack. But is Tandy the same as Radio Shack? I don't know when they went out of business, but it must have been the beginning of the 80s. Sometime in the 80s. Tandy and Radio Shack were the same company for many years. Okay? Tandy originally was a leather goods company,
Oh,
which bought Radio Shack in '63 and transferred it into a major electronics retailer. Oh yes, Tandy had its own computers, Tandy branded computers.
This is the piece of shit that I remember.
The TRS-80.
Yeah. My friend had one, and I had a C64, and he was so mad his dad had bought that piece of crap.
Yeah, I knew they had Tandy there.
And that was the expensive Tandy.
Yeah, the Tandy TRS.
Yeah.
It looks like a point of sale, a till.
Yeah. He had the one
This
at the
must
top.
have been very futuristic.
Yeah, he had the one at the top.
That's a Commodore.
Oh, that's a Commodore PET.
Yeah, the PET is the one to the right. He had something similar to the one at the top with a chunky small monitor. And I was rocking my 32-inch fat TV for the C64.
Yeah, Radio Shack.
Uh,
There you go.
I heard about Radio
Just
Shack
took you off screen.
in YouTube only from other YouTubers, pretty much. But
They used to sell electronics kits. Okay, yeah, okay.
yeah, I heard that as well. When they
And Lon says, and while I was in electronics class, most of them didn't work always.
Of course, yeah, exactly.
I probably brought them from China, you know.
That's how you learn a lot to get them to work.
Yeah, you actually had to modify the builds sometimes to get them to work. I got a gift, one of these for children to learn how to do electronics, and everything was broken in it.
Yeah.
Nothing worked. So I managed to make most of things work with auto parts. The lights I replaced with the 12-volt bulbs, and I replaced it with the fuses and the relays and stuff. So I actually make my own kit.
I have Tandy TRS-80 Model 100 somewhere. Greg has one.
They are actually collector's items nowadays.
And quite valued collector's items.
So you can probably get a good, nice penny for those.
Yeah. Exactly. Oh, can I just show these guys this? Oh, take me a second. Somebody commented on the video I did where they repair those TDA 7293s. So one of the boards had a badly burnt track, which is one of the power tracks to the chip.
Yeah.
And I repaired the power track using solder braid. Yeah. And I mentioned that I was using one that was thinner than the one I normally use. So normally I use the Mechanic 8045.
I bought the 10-pack of those.
Yeah, and it's very good. But I used the thinner ones, and somebody asked me which one did you use you wanted to buy. So the thinner one I used was actually that one. So Servicol solder mop.
1.5 mil.
1.5 mil.
Mop. Cool.
This is
solder mop.
Oh, look, it says MILF on it, MIL-F, look. Above the Servicol MILF.
Servicol, I never heard about this brand.
No.
Servicol.
This looks a bit dated.
Everybody remember Servicol making sitcom
compounds.
Did you import this from England?
I brought it from England. I mean, I don't know how many years I've had this thing. It's a Servicol MILF.
Yeah, the branding looks ancient, so that's why.
Yeah.
Yes.
I've had it. I don't know how long I've had this.
There's a telephone number on there.
You
Drop this on
your-
the other thing so I can get closer.
Yeah, there's a phone number in the inner ring. Yeah.
Fax.
There's a fax.
So it's a UK number.
+44.
01278.
Yeah.
Yes, it's in England. It's from England.
Military F. Yeah. It's Paul, right? Yeah, you're
Oh,
right.
it's not a MILF there.
There's some military specification there, yeah. So
Yeah.
if you want to send a fax over there, if your time machine still works, there's your chance.
Yeah. Who has a fax nowadays? I didn't have one back in the day.
Well, we had them with the companies I worked for. And then obviously your
Lon-
original modems were fax modems.
Lon, I think this was England. +44 is England, right?
Yeah, it is.
The
What?
telephone number.
44 was England, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And still is. So, yeah, we had a fax machine when I had the computer shop in 1993, the proper fax machine, and used to get like spam faxes coming out of it, spewing out pages and pages of like buy stuff.
Getting spam in a fax machine.
And the fax machine, yeah.
You know what you do with that? If you get a spam number, because there must be a number in there. So
Yes, there is.
you dial them back and you simply put in a black sheet that you loop around. And you let it run overnight.
And all the paper comes out of the fax machine.
And on the other side, they
completely
print
black.
everything black.
And all the ink runs out.
Yes.
Yeah.
Vengeance.
Free life help tale.
A little late, but fine.
Yeah.
Vengeance.
So, shall we play a little game?
Oh shit.
Oh, okay, sure. As long as I won't kill,
Oh, I was
kill
not the only one who did that. Greg did that, Jerry did that. Yeah. Okay. Process in mind here.
Credence.
Yeah.
Canterbury, okay. Super Rascal. You said something, you had a shop in electronics, right? And you were cheaper than Tandy, you said. A few meters up this chat that I can't follow. Sorry.
No, it's hard to follow along in the chat, especially when I'm high as a kite. But
Sometimes I'm going to steal your meds.
yeah,
Just
I got new ones now as well,
Oh, wow.
antidepressants and other
nice.
stuff. So.
Oh, they're fun. They're fun.
Oh,
Take two of them with a glass of wine and
Oh no, no glass of wine needed.
you're so happy.
I'm taking tramadol as
Oh,
well.
the house is on fire.
Yeah. I haven't had energy to do anything the last 3 months. So, I feel like shit. But you know,
But you
life goes on.
wanted to do a little
We do that.
quest,
But as you
quest
should.
thing.
Yeah.
You know the title we had on this time about you turning vodka into absolute mayor?
Yeah.
This is where it came from. This is one of my birthday cards. I can't tell what you say. So that's where we actually got that title on the live stream. You can't turn water into wine, but you can turn vodka into absolute mayhem.
That sounds like me.
The one time in a year, Richard does a title for screen for that. The other 51 times, it's me.
No, the other 25 times.
Oh, it's
bi-weekly.
Yeah, true. It's bi-weekly, yeah.
So we have a multimeter.
And I'm not bragging about this.
A power supply board of some kind.
Yeah, we have a multimeter, it's a power supply board of some kind. So this is the power supply out of that Spaceship 60 guitar pedals power bank thing.
Mm-hmm.
And this is blown up.
Okay.
So on the video, I will show you guys. This is the thing it's out of.
There's no real damage to this.
No real damage.
Yeah, I now have a nice shot, and now I have to move
I probably have to magnify it.
Yeah. So it's out of this thing. So this will power 11 up to 11 guitar effects pedals. There's like a big rack it joins onto if you put your pedals on. So in the video I said I can't repair this, and I decided to get an external. This is a 24 volt supply. So the 24 volt supply is this board, and then these are all buck converters, one for each.
And how much power does this draw?
Well, you can see here, this has 24 volt link, and then that's a 3 amp, 9 volts,
250 milliamps.
and then lots of 250 milliamps, and some 500s, and then these are switchable, so you can switch the voltage here between
9 and 18.
9, 12 and 18 on 500 milliamps each. So the power supply actually is rated 77 watts.
It's not that bad then.
It's 3 point something amps, so it wouldn't provide all these all at the same time. No, actually it would, because that's 24 volts, and these are all lower voltage, so obviously lower voltage, higher current.
Yeah.
So anyway, I decided the easiest thing was to get an external 24 volt 5 amp brick and just plug that into this instead, just make another connector.
That sounds like a good idea.
Yeah. So the reason I can't repair this one, can we get the close up onto it? Or get under the microscope?
Microscope is probably better.
Falling asleep.
Oh, goddamn.
Okay.
Give me a sec.
And then this is where the challenge is going to come in.
Hey, wake up, wakey microscope.
Why isn't this on?
Oh,
sorry.
It says on.
It is on now.
Do you need to do the thing on the second PC?
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'm on it.
Lon, some glue when it's glue. Try either way isopropyl. That simply creep alcohol under there and try. Hope for the best. WD-40 could work too, but this is a mess on a PCB.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. Acetone would work too, yeah.
The mini chip there, blue.
Yeah, the mini chip is blown.
This one.
And it's got a part number. The question is, can anybody identify this chip? And the other question is, we have D1, the diode. We have a resistor. We also have
the capacitor.
The capacitor there. No, it's not a resistor, R13. That's blown.
Oh, it's a resistor.
And then if we go to the other side of the board somewhere there, R18, that's also blown. So the question is, can we identify what these components are?
Yeah, if we can get the specs for this chip.
If we get specs for the chip, exactly. So the chip is, let's go back onto it, there.
Let's turn on the light. Let's see if that helps.
Oh, yeah, that helps.
Yeah, I'm trying. There. And extra light from the side.
Oh, you want to... Ooh.
Come on, there we go. And let's see, there.
So it says 365M15. Would you agree with that?
Yes.
365M15.
Yes.
And then it says
Can you get closer?
458E in the small letter P.
And all the guys on their phones are saying the same.
Yep.
Can't read this.
Give me a sec. And I'll help you out, guys.
Okay, this is not me being the shaky cam here.
No, yeah. Sorry, the ring light fell onto the workpiece. Was not intended.
Right, you've got it.
Yeah.
I can see 365M15.
Yeah.
458E, then the small letter P.
Yeah. So I'm guessing that's like a power transistor package, a dual transistor or something.
I think this is a pulse width modulator.
This is a controller chip.
Controller chip for the switch mode.
This is switch mode controller.
Well, that doesn't. Doesn't drive the transistor directly. There's a MOSFET or transistor which is also blown. So 365M15. I couldn't identify this. 458. Do I turn it through 90 degrees? Would that help?
Yeah, probably.
So it's about there.
Ooh.
Now you can. Now surely you can see it now.
So 365 like the years and the days in a year, and a black screen.
The microphone's just going to sleep.
The phone, the scope doesn't do working.
The battery must be down.
Yeah, probably.
Did I remove some cable here? Can you check on the backside?
Yeah, I'm going for the cable. The power supply.
Probably
No, it is plugged in. Is this black one? This one.
I don't see any current here.
Well, that's strange because it's definitely plugged into it.
Pull it out and put it in again. Sometimes when the PD falls asleep, it doesn't wake up again.
3 watts. So now, we got a red light over there.
Okay, so now what we're going.
So PD has a strange quirk when it falls asleep and there's not enough current around.
5 watts.
It doesn't wake up.
Yes, I see.
So the other question is, what would we see if we measure these resistors?
Zotek. Nice name.
Probably resistance.
Yeah. Are they measurable?
Yeah. Some of them should be. Yeah.
Okay, so we have 3 blown resistors. So we have R13 is obliterated.
The fuse is obliterated.
Where's the fuse?
The 0 ohm resistor.
Okay. Yeah.
That's a fuse.
Fine. R12A, and then here we have D1, which is a bit like Chernobyl. It's exposed to the nuclear core.
Yeah.
And we have R12, which might have the remnants of a marking on it.
Yeah. The R12.
It's got a hole in it.
Do you have IPA? Sometimes a wet surface can show you what it is.
Okay, and then we have that thing.
Yeah, that one you can.
Oh, that one we can see.
Huh?
Does it say 1, 2, 1, 2, 5?
IPA, please.
Is that 1.2? Sorry, 120.
Yeah, give me IPA. Maybe we can get a little bit more definition. 1, 2, 3. I think it says.
What do you see? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Can't you see it?
No.
In white with a black mark in the middle of it.
It's extremely vague.
And what do you want?
With lots of imagination.
Yeah, I need a little brush or Q-tip or something.
I think it says 1, 2, 5.
I think it's a 3 at the end.
Well, that'll make it 12K if it's up to me.
Yeah.
And make it 1.2 meg.
So it's very dim right now because it's dry. But that 1, 2, 3. That's a 3.
That's a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, true. Yeah.
Okay, so that's a 12K.
12K, yeah.
12K. So we have one of them, and let's do the same trick on the other one. That one is going to be a lot harder though, because it's missing the top part. 171.
That's not a standard value. 171. That's not a standard resistor value.
But it is 171.
No, it's not. It can't be 171. It must be something else.
But it has. Okay, so if you look at, it's a 1 at the beginning, right, and at the end.
Correct? I agree. It's a 1 at the beginning, at the end.
Thank you guys.
What could it be? A 0?
It could be a 0. It could be a 2, or it could be a 5. Or it could be
no,
an 8.
No, the 5 wouldn't have the
1, 2, 5, or 8 are standard values.
Well,
it couldn't be a 5.
Stop faffing around.
Sorry,
with the,
sorry.
Stop faffing around with the resistors, because we have two possible chips: an MP1470 or an MT3608.
Okay.
So you maybe want to look those up.
Here.
Well, can't I using the microscope?
No, that's
But it's on the same machine there.
Sure. Now you can type.
So what are the chips?
MT3608.
MP.
No, T.
MT for
Yeah, for Thomas.
Thomas, yeah. 3608.
Yeah.
Boost data sheet.
Boost.
Data
24/7 thing, Hinky. I think a boost is not the thing.
What's that?
You probably need a
buck.
a buck.
No, it's not going to be either a boost or a buck. It's going to be driving a this is a isolated supply
That's a step
transformer.
up.
24 to 2 to 24 volts.
That's a step up.
Input voltage.
Yeah, okay, so it can handle it, and up to 28 volts total output.
6-pin SOT. The package already is correct.
Yeah, modems and routers it's used in.
Yeah. Set-top boxes.
No, this is a DC to DC converter.
This is what I'm saying.
But it could, in theory, drive the primary.
Yeah, of course it
transformer.
can. But since this is a step up, we don't need step up. We need step down. This we're coming in with 24 volts, and you need something else.
I see what value that is.
What? 1, 2, 1. No.
Yeah, it is.
The ones look upside down though.
Yeah, no, that's the 2 is. You can see the outline now.
But doesn't make the number ones upside down if you.
No. That's not the 2.
Okay, what was it?
That's the underside.
What was the other chip? Because this is not what I'd expect to find in the switch mode power supply.
MP.
MP for Member of Parliament.
Yeah, Member of Parliament 1470 GJ.
147
GJ.
0.
G.
Yeah.
G.
Yeah.
That thing.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you found it.
This one is a.
It's a mess. It says on the data sheet. Come on.
I'm looking at it now.
Monolithic power system. Yeah, this could actually be.
Oh, it's amperes, not mess. Damn it. 2 amp.
Synchronous rectified step down switch mode converter.
Yeah, sounds better. Yeah, sounds better.
This one sounds a bit better.
This is closer, yeah.
But again, that's not isolated supply either.
It still can run it.
Do you need? This is on the switch mode slide.
Yeah, it can
this is a switch mode controller.
So it's a switch mode controller. So it's going to be having like. Can we just take some under the microscope?
You got the thing over there.
Yes,
all of you.
Yeah,
no, microscope over there.
I don't want it on the microscope. I want to take it off the microscope and look at the board because this is. So these are your big mains smoothing. This is your input on this end. Okay, so you got like a NTC. You have a bridge rectifier there. Okay, some filters, and then look, these are your big 400 volt capacitors. So this is mains voltage.
So this is just a switch mode power supply. It comes from 230 down to 24.
Yes.
Okay.
And then this here is a MOSFET or a transistor. I can't easily see it down there.
Will be the driving one.
But what I can see is it has 3 legs. See by my finger?
Mm-hmm.
It has 3 legs, so it's not like one of these things with like 5 pins on, which is like a control in itself. So the only thing that can be driving is the star.
Yeah, it must be.
Can we trace it out? See if it.
Well, we can certainly figure out where hot ground goes to.
Yeah.
Because we have the capacitors are both 400 volts, and they're probably in parallel.
Yeah, they look like that.
There's one of those, the other one.
Yeah.
Yes, they are in parallel. These are the ones that gave me a nasty shock, by the way, because I thought they were discharged.
Oh yeah, that hurts.
So what I did is on the video, I measured down there to try to get onto the legs of the capacitors to see if I could actually see any voltage. But because of this in the way, I had to be careful how I did it, and I mustn't have had a good connection on it. So when I touched this thing, it gave me a right zap.
Nice.
Greg recommend an on-bright 2365.
That sounds more like it, Greg.
Yeah.
An OB20. Yeah, this sounds more like what I'd expect. OB. Sorry.
go.
No. I should.
Do not.
Did I close that one? No. Let me just find where I was. OB. I think it's a non-bright as well. So it's OB. Which one?
2365, and the 365 is in this number. So this
2365.
Yeah.
Data sheet. What says amp?
Yeah, there is a variant. He put a A.
A or amp version. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah, probably.
A.
There we go. Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, this is a pulse width modulator control. It's probably this thing.
Yeah, it looks like it. 77 kilohertz.
There, that's the sort of thing I'd be looking for.
Yeah.
Now, from that, we should be able to figure out whether the ground is on pin 1.
Don't you have
That's
a reference design at the bottom? You can see values.
This is all you need. This is complete design.
Yeah.
And they probably simply build it from the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, there's the MOSFET.
Yeah. It's an Obi-Wan Kenobi, indeed, Joey. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the MOSFET. This is the diode. So this is the auxiliary winding that powers the VCC. Must have a startup which is probably generated internally.
Scroll a bit down if you see a reference design.
Yeah, the reference design will have the values.
We have another
Indeed.
one. Okay, that's internal.
That's what I usually look for.
Of course.
Hey, why not be lazy if you can?
Of course. Why use my brain if somebody already did it?
I'm just scrolling this down further.
Yeah,
Oh, there was up, stop there.
Yeah, there
are
are
dimensions.
No, that
no.
diameters are dimensions. I was hoping for usual valuable values in there.
Yeah, go to
but
the
over
absolute
there
bottom.
it tells you how to do the VR.
Oh, you were at the bottom.
That's the bottom.
Okay, they don't have a reference.
No, all they have.
They have this one. Stop. Down, bit down. Stop. So that's how you calculate your output voltage. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah,
Although I doubt those resistors are damaged because the current isn't probably not run that way. These would normally be quite high value resistors, so they don't pass a lot of current anyway. Because there's other resistors on there. Okay, so assuming it's this chip, and I could prove that probably by reverse engineering a bit of the circuit to see if it matches this.
Yep.
Certainly, if pin 1 goes to the negative end of the big capacitors, that's a good idea.
Yep.
You can't measure them under the microscope, can you?
No,
but
I
you
can't.
probably can see if there's
I can actually.
if there's a big trace going there, and if it looks like ground.
I smacked the.
You did. Yeah.
Where the hell is the chip?
Middle of the board.
There.
So
They don't see this.
So
yeah, no. Oh yeah, right. We have to switch there and 11.
I'll take us off the screen here.
okay. So pin 1 is probably where the white dot is. Can we see?
Yeah, I see the white dot on the
On the left hand at the bottom.
lower left there.
So that's pin 1. So if
Oh yeah, I have to turn on the.
multimeter, and you can't see the multimeter. This is what I'm saying.
They will probably hear the beep anyway.
Diode mode. You want diode mode?
Yeah, I think so.
So from pin 1 to the negative end of the big capacitors.
Yeah, I'll try.
Okay, this is one.
Yeah, okay, you were right.
You can't just under the mouse.
I can't reach.
Right, so if we can get the camera on it. So from pin 1 of that chip to the negative end of the capacitor, if that goes to there, I'd say there's a very good chance this is right.
This should be negative.
That's not one of the capacitors.
It's not? Oh no. What? Oh, there. Yeah, wait. Yes, it is.
Okay.
I have an easier suggestion. There's a pin that goes out to the main MOSFET.
To the gate.
I would measure this. I would simply measure this because this is a one direct connection.
Oh, there we go. Yep.
Yes, it does. So pin 1 is ground. Okay, so it probably, yeah. The other test would be to measure the pin that goes to the MOSFET gate. So
Yeah.
that one is
Function F1.
function.
FN F1.
I have it.
Or escape.
Or escape.
I was trying to escape. It didn't seem to work.
It does.
It does.
Why can't I see the tabs now? Oh, I
tabs
can't.
are-
They're there. Sorry. Okay, so the other one was
Old man using computers.
the other one would be gate,
Yeah,
which
gate
is pin
is
6.
Opposite side.
Yeah, and
Okay.
this goes directly to the, to the
MOSFET gate,
Yeah.
and we can see
Where is the MOSFET? There.
yeah, there's 3 pins.
Yeah. Okay.
And one of the outside will be gate.
Yeah.
I'm just going to try. I am.
Can you see the MOSFET?
Yeah.
Yes, normally.
It's not that end.
No. Actually, I got a
Oh,
reading in the middle.
Measures onto resistors. So let me have a look.
it could be that they put a
Resistor in.
Yeah.
I would normally drop a resistor in there, something low.
Yeah, that's.
And it could be this resistor's one of the blown open circuit ones.
True. If the MOSFET is gone.
The MOSFET's gone.
Yeah.
Ah.
There's nothing there from that pin. Let's just in case if we have another chip. No.
Well, you're not on continuity, you go back onto continuity.
Oh, yeah.
So that's probably one of the blown resistors.
Yep. Probably.
Chris and Greg
Oh, no.
suggesting.
Oh, you had something then.
Yeah. What? Well,
I saw something.
Well, if the resistor is blown, this is probably the thing. Chris and Greg are saying try pin 6, try pin 2 to the opto.
Pin 2 to the.
Opto.
Up to isolator.
Where's the opto on this?
There is one.
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
It's
on
The obvious one, you know.
It's on this side.
Yeah.
Pin 2 is right here.
Let me go back. Yeah, we're on continuity. Yeah.
Yep.
No, that's going
Other
through.
side.
That's going through 6 ohms.
No,
There,
there's
yes.
this other side, yeah.
Yes, that goes to the opto.
Yeah. So.
So we think we probably identified the chip.
Yeah, and we know the resistance of two of them.
Can we read the resistor value now? Let's have a look under the microscope.
Could you mount a suitable chip and manual wire to the position of the radio? More, you probably can't, because that you all the values of the resistors around there are all made for this specific chip. So if you simply slap in, you need to put the microscope on the screen.
Yeah,
please.
I do. 1 moment.
Yes, I'm just preparing.
I have it. And then function F1.
Yeah. Okay, so you want me to measure the resistance of the blown one, all right?
What says 1? Well, it looks like 121, but
Yeah, it looks like one.
but the that would make the number.
This is 300 and
That's a goner. Yep.
300 kilo ohms.
Yeah, I can't show you this.
So what value do you think that resistor is?
Wait, I can't.
Uh-huh.
And this one is also dead.
Yeah, that's open
Yes.
circuit. But we can read the values on those, so that's not a problem.
Yeah.
So you think that's 121?
Yes. This
I'm
one,
not sure.
this one though is impossible to read pretty much.
And it's impossible to measure.
Yeah, this is actually the one that died. I think that goes up to the leg. Yeah, look.
Mm-hmm.
The leg number 6.
That's pin 6. Okay, so
Yeah.
So
that-
if the other end of that goes to the MOSFET,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, check the other end if this goes to the MOSFET.
And that's beep.
Yeah. If it does,
Is that-
simply slap in something really low.
well, it's going to be something fairly low because it's blown up.
100 ohms or something.
10 ohms or something.
I would probably go for 100 because there's no current flowing, so it doesn't matter.
Oh, oh.
That doesn't go to the MOSFET.
Oh yeah. Yes, it does.
It does go to the MOSFET.
I'm just having a hard time with the
Oh yeah, it just goes to.
yeah.
Yeah, but hold on, that can't go to the MOSFET. Does that go to that diode next to it?
It seems that
Yes,
way.
it does.
It
from
would
the-
make
So is it intermittent break on the
layout?
diode?
It's broken.
Yeah. But
Well,
is it intermittently?
Yeah,
broken?
but you wouldn't have a diode.
Ah no,
on
I
the-
touched here. Okay, that's why.
You wouldn't have a diode on the gate.
Oh.
Oh crap! I moved something.
Oh yeah, yes I did.
Sorry guys.
I touched this one. That's why. Okay, so this side of the diode then should reach.
Sorry.
Well, that diode is probably
I'm
in the
messing up
auxiliary
the whole
supply.
thing here.
Yeah.
I mean,
No. It goes to the third pin on the MOSFET.
So,
So yeah, it goes through
No
here,
worry. They on the other side they're normally not marked. They're simply white.
here and here, and it goes through here. Yeah.
so I think the answer to this then really
You can fix it.
would be to, we know what the chip is, we've got a typical application. If we reverse engineer this part of the circuit and figure out where these burnt resistors go,
Yeah.
we can probably get a good idea what they are. I'm still not convinced that's a 121.
I am convinced because
But what does the swarm think?
there's no way it can be a 5 because there is a small down. Let's see if I can show it get them. Let's see, where is my, there we go. So you see how it goes this way and down.
So it's 120 ohms.
Yeah, it has to be a 2 or a 7. And because
A
7 is really,
not a standard value.
yeah, it's really rare to find one. So that's has to be a 2 or a 0. It could be a 0 because I see a small down.
So it's either 100 ohm or 120 ohm.
Yeah, so there is no difference there. So you can actually just plop in 100 and hope for the best.
Which also makes sense, the fact that it's actually blown up. It's got to be a low value resistor.
Yeah.
Otherwise it wouldn't pass enough current to blow up if it's high value resistor.
Now, the one that's a mystery is the one to the right.
R13.
I don't think we can get a good view of that, I'm guessing.
And there's another mystery as well. What's happened to that one? We have another mystery.
Yeah.
It's mystery day.
Yeah. But
oh, Eric is here. Evening, my friend.
IPA for showing more contrast on parts is a good,
Skippy, yeah, you
a
could,
good way to do
you
it.
could use a diode to do that. Indeed, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
To speed up reaction times on the.
No, this is completely gone, and you can forget this.
Okay.
You cannot see anything on this.
So we'd have to reverse engineer it and figure out where that is in the typical application. Again, we know it's going to be a low value resistor.
It's exactly before the diode, so it should be quite easy to see in the reference.
Can you read something on that diode?
Yes, you can. Let's see.
It's upside down.
Yeah.
I guess a fast switching.
Yeah,
SS34 or something.
I think it's going to be some sort of.
Okay, so it was upside down. So
I think it's going to be some sort of Schottky diode.
Yeah.
Or a fast.
Okay, so let's put on some more light. It's 1,4 at the end.
Or T4.
T4, yeah.
If that's T4, I think we'll find that's a fairly standard diode.
Yep.
You guys, T4, that's from my experience.
Yeah, it is a T4. The scratch, there's a scratch on the left
Chris, yeah,
side.
there's a pull down then, yeah.
Yeah. There's a scratch on the left side.
Which is going to be the cathode.
Yeah. So that's fine then.
I think it's a T4.
Yep, it is a T4. And the resistor on the side then should be a fairly low value as well.
Okay, and then there's one more resistor we need to just look at.
Oh, is there? Oh yeah, the exploded one at the top.
That one.
Oh
no, that one we already know what that one is.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, so
at 12K, 100 ohm.
Yeah.
And yeah, T4.
Yeah, and then
the
we
chip a 0 ohm resistor.
0 ohm resistor. Is that 4.7 ohm? Okay, next to the 0 ohm.
That's a good question. I never checked that one.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm just going to orient it so I can reach.
Okay. While Carlos is doing that, so guys, I mean, this is a very good example of what you can do when you think these things are impossible.
They're not impossible. They just take a lot of time.
That reads 4.7 ohms.
Yeah, so it's fine.
And
Yeah,
that,
4 out of 7, yeah.
yeah, that's fine.
That's fine. This diode looks fine. This fuse here. Oh, no, it's a capacitor. Oh.
Well, the capacitor should be okay. I mean,
Yeah.
they shouldn't.
It looked white. That's why I was worried. But yeah, it is a. This one looks burnt.
That's 30 ohm resistor.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're 30 ohms.
Yeah. Sorry for the spinning, but I'm under a microscope with the light very close to it. So.
It reached 33 ohms.
Yeah, so it is fine, but I would replace it though.
Yeah.
This one though.
Oh, this is a goner.
Yep.
R14 is done.
Ah. Yeah, it is burnt out.
This completely exploded.
Yep. And the markings on it are gone as well.
I think the first digit you might be able to read.
Yeah.
That reads 7.8 meg.
No, so no.
No, this is open. Yep.
Yeah. Let's see. There is a 1.
It starts with a 1.
And ends with a 0.
Ends with a 0. So it's going to be a 12 ohm. It's going to be 10 ohm, 12, 15 or 18.
Yeah.
So stick something like a 15 in there.
Yeah.
Educated guess, yeah. 15 would be fine probably.
And it's a very small footprint as
And we
well.
know it's going to be a low value resistor because it's blowing up.
Yeah.
It's interesting. I think what I'll do is I'm going to order a power supply anyway. So I can sort the thing out for the guy. I think this would be a really nice one to reverse engineer and see what we can do with
Put in a PD connector.
What, 5
Exactly what I said. Yes,
24 volts.
Of course you could.
I'd get 24 volt for PD.
Well,
PD can deliver 24 volts.
Yeah, but okay. Before we just go further with this, so the power supply was about 27 euros for the
right.
24 volt 5 amp.
Mm. Yeah, the PD will be a little more expensive
So
because
that
you
was
need
the
the
cost.
power supply and the connection module.
And then I was going to connect to the bag.
If he wants for cheap, yeah, but I would actually convert it to PD if I could.
Okay.
Because
Same.
of
Same.
Convenience.
Yeah, but then
That's
you
what
also
I
need a
said,
decoy.
Yeah, the decoy plug is the hard part, and you need to find one that supports 24 volts.
24 volts,
Yeah.
exactly.
But you simply go for a
yeah.
20 volt and just pops your uncle.
Did they update the new PD for 48 volts yet?
Oh, we'll talk about that.
Well, this is way too expensive. I would go for normal PD
Yeah.
and live with 20 volts.
Yeah.
Or use simply a laptop power supply.
Yeah.
I think my answer is the best one. 24 volts, 5 amps.
Yeah,
it's the same voltage as the original
it's
one.
the easiest choice.
And then that comes with like a normal jack plug on. Now I'm going to put one of those aviation plugs on, the 4-pin DIN and the 4-pin DIN socket, so that you can't accidentally plug the 24 volt supply into one of his guitar pedals.
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
Yeah, then you can only plug it into this and job done.
People do do that.
Yeah, again, what you
And it's
guys think.
staged. No, it's staged. Keep in mind, yeah.
That's
Yeah,
interesting.
Skippy says use a 90 volt
Yeah.
laptop charger, modify to increase. Yeah, that's good. You could do this too, yeah.
You could.
Yeah, laptop supplies are very plentiful.
Since it's stepping down everything internally anyways,
From the 24 volts.
You probably don't even need 24 volts.
you don't need 24. No.
No.
And for normal guitar pedals, Joey knows this, yeah, we normally go with 9 volts because this is always a 9 volt battery in there.
Yeah. Well, that's why it has switchable 9, 12, 18 on some. The rest are all 9, aren't they? I don't know about this. I mean, if it's 24 volt internal, replace it with a 24. Why not? I mean,
Yep.
If you
it's not,
can.
it doesn't cost any. Well, yeah, I can buy one. They're about €27. They're 5 amp rather than this thing's 3.2 amp, the original one. So, and the other advantage of this, there's no high voltage inside the bar anymore. I mean, somebody might have knocked a beer over or something's happened because this thing's on the floor with the guitar pedals.
Oh.
So any liquid around could easily end up in the thing. Whereas if we do it this way, the highest voltage in there is 24.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's good.
I think that's the way to go. I've overruled you all.
Yeah.
No, I'm sure a lot of you guys agree with me.
You're the expert.
Because this is a customs.
Yeah. Agreed.
They're asking what you're drinking.
This is an energy drink from Lidl. No, this is from Mercadona. So it's their own brand, but it tastes like the Lidl one. So it's probably the same.
Give me one too.
Do you want the can or the bottle?
A bottle, of course.
Sorry.
I also
Willi fix it. This sounds German.
Detlef is the man who's got everything. Have you got a bottle opener?
No, of course not.
Okay.
But we got Carlos
Yep.
and a plier.
Yeah, sure.
Can you do?
Yeah, I can.
Tropical.
Look it up. Stepping up. We're now having glass bottles.
Don't worry. I won't destroy the.
So you're going to trash Detlef's wire cutters? That's okay.
No, they won't go. They won't go bad because I'm not forcing it. They're-
Already empty. Cherry Coke is already empty.
Cherry Coke is undrinkable without vodka.
Yep, agreed. Cherry Coke is not
Did you
drinkable.
check?
Cherry Coke is not drinkable.
Yeah, did we check if
Did you check?
Did we check what was in it? Ah, that's another point. Did we check?
Here we go.
Okay, guys.
Salute.
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 Oh, that's nice. That is nice.
Yeah, you can make do. I can actually open them with my teeth. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not 19 anymore, mate.
I've done that.
Slantje.
I've done that a few times.
Slantje is Irish, I think. Yeah, Slantje. Yeah, I remember.
And never
Irish.
for myself because I don't drink. I don't drink beer. It's always for someone else.
Character fault. Yeah, definitely for character fault.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Tropical's a special beer. Even Detlef agreed Tropical's a bit special.
Yeah. No.
And when Gerard do a special, was even more special.
I prefer to drink my Red Bull vodkas.
Yeah, good.
5 or 6 of them at a time.
Then you can't sleep. I would be off for the
Yeah,
next 4
I'd
weeks.
be. Yeah, exactly.
No, and it actually doesn't put me to sleep.
Okay, so I have.
Oh,
Gaelic for cheers. Okay, so I thought this was Irish. Thank you for educating
Nice.
me there.
new stuff.
I have some stuff to review. So these are coming. Certainly.
That's a preview here.
Yeah, previous. So you can't.
Wrong way.
You can't even see what it is, can you? It's just got a sticker on.
And I can't because there's a sticker on.
Well, I'll take the sticker off.
I didn't have the focus.
This I can just, let me just, might have my name and stuff on it, I don't know.
Yeah, no, not a good idea to show that one.
Well,
Oh,
my
Dutch
name
is here. Hey, Dutch mate.
Dutch.
I need something just to, no, I've done it.
What we are doing, faffing around like usual.
Yeah.
What kind of question is that?
You know us. I'm high as a kite, and these two are
This is not your first rodeo.
egging me along. So,
So we have this.
oh, a new one.
A new one. So this is from Finersi. They asked me to review this.
You have the Wi-Fi one, right?
I don't know if this has Wi-Fi or not.
Yeah.
If it doesn't have Wi-Fi, this is not nice.
No,
we need a Wi-Fi one.
It doesn't have Wi-Fi.
Yeah, but look at the specs on the other side.
We need a Wi-Fi one. It doesn't matter about the specs.
Oh no, the other one is Bluetooth, right?
Oh, Bluetooth. I don't care.
Yeah. So this does 4 to 50 volt. Not to
0 to 6 amps, 6.5 amps.
up to 210 watt.
240, but okay.
So this is a PD 3.1 analyzer. So this is an analyzer.
This is the new one then. Yeah,
This is the new one.
That can monitor up to the 48 volt supplies.
Yes.
Okay.
So
The ones that are super
Do
expensive.
we have a supply for that?
No, we don't. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have one.
Yeah, pretty sure. Yeah.
They are super expensive.
Yeah.
Hey, it's quite
Oh
small.
no! You can't do this before. Don't show this to people. Yeah, come on, we cut this out.
have a quick look.
Rich and saw this. Didn't see that.
Let's have a quick look.
Ooh.
So that is the replacement or the newer version of this.
Yeah.
So this is my FN58B. I've had this for at least a couple of 3 years
The
now.
B stands for Bluetooth on this one.
It gets used a lot, but this one doesn't do PD 3.1.
No, it does PD 2.8 or something, right?
Or 3 or whatever. This is
It's good enough.
it's on the back of it. This one is
Up to 28 volts. Yeah.
up to 28 volts.
So it's the almost newest version. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the newest version has 48 volts supply. That's why.
So we have that to look at. I think it's a bit smaller, isn't it?
Yes, it's quite a bit small, but it doesn't have Bluetooth, so that's why.
Yeah, that's the difference in the.
So yeah, the size comparison there is quite striking, but yeah, I think there should be a Bluetooth variant of that one.
There may be.
Or maybe it does have Bluetooth and doesn't say. That would be stupid though.
That would be stupid, yeah.
So I mean, friend, this was a free review sample, so it's what it is, you know.
Maybe it's not the top of the top either.
Yeah.
And Paul says, please review the FMB-C2 with your secure soldering iron and 28 volt. Paul, I have no idea what you're talking about. Again.
The Finersi soldering iron.
Yep.
FMB-C2.
Okay, yeah, I can ask them. With secure soldering. FNBC2. Oh, compare the FNBC2
No, review. Please review the FNBC2.
with your secure.
Review.
I know, but he's asked me to make a comparison, isn't he, between that and the secure?
Oh yeah, so yeah, there's a soldering iron then.
Yeah. Okay. And I have.
Yeah, Finersi sends him stuff all the time, so it will probably appear on the channel eventually.
Yeah. Wait long enough, yeah. Then it finds its way to the.
And I also have this to review.
Okay.
Okay, wrong thing here. This is the right
Mini DC electronic load. Oh, one of the ones I destroyed.
Yes.
At last, we don't have to rebuild this. At last.
We don't have to be bothered. Yeah. So this one, this is Alien Tech. This is it. Okay, we can have a quick look. I'm just getting
Really pointy things here.
I have fingernails.
Yeah, I chewed mine off.
I've trimmed them, but I left enough to.
I don't chew my fingernails.
That's my job.
So
Not his fingernail.
No. Oh. I felt that in my fingers. So it's 0.1 volts to 60 volts and 0 to 12 amps. That's quite powerful actually. But it says 150 watt maximum. So you can't run the 60 volts at 12 amps obviously.
no.
I mean, this needs to be a Carlos test, so you need to do the wrong polarity thing there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I destroyed the other one. That one.
Yeah.
You didn't mark it correctly, so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
was not
And,
my fault.
Yeah.
Let's see. Is there any other specs on the back? Power supply, Type C, 5 volts at 2 amps, so you don't need more.
Oh, so she uses a power
But
supply.
wait a second. If you run it at 5 volts, 2 amps, how does it load? Oh yeah, it can.
It's a load.
Probably
It's a load.
for
It's
the
a load.
control.
It's a load, it's not a supply.
Yeah. No. I was thinking the wrong way.
Yeah.
XT30. So it has XT30 terminal.
Okay.
So that's
If you don't know, this is
just have a quick look.
for power
that's the lithium battery connectors.
Okay.
Guys, leave this in here because they need to.
Yeah, this is the review.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, you need to wait for the final video. Oh no.
Yeah.
He unpacks this now.
But
Whoa, it's fat. Okay, it has two nice fans on the bottom.
it says load.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's
USB.
XT30.
Yeah. No, but that's good because some things if you're going to load a battery, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it uses a load for a battery. So 60 volt, 150 watt max. So at 60 volt, that's 2.5 amps.
Yeah, but that's a lot of power to dissipate heat from. You have 2 fans on the other side.
Yes, big,
A bit big, no, but
fast.
yeah, probably
Fast fan.
very fast and very loud.
Okay, so and this wasn't an expensive thing actually.
How much is the load?
The EL15, let's have a look.
Because considering how much it costs you to build one,
Let's have a look how much that one is. One moment.
sometimes it's worth just buying one. There we go. Put this away.
Let's have a look.
Electronic load, Eric.
EL15. Yeah, so if you don't know what that is, but I'm pretty sure Eric does. But
Yeah, Eric knows what this is.
Yeah.
Come on, you got to.
for people that don't know what it is, it's to load down electronics and test them under load.
Yeah. So for example, that guitar pedal supply, each one of the USB outputs, I can use that load to test if it works at its rated current.
Exactly, because some electronics fail at different loads.
Yeah, so
they work fine at low loads and then they crap out at high loads.
EL15. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much are these things? Oh, they're about €70. So
Not super cheap.
not super cheap and not super expensive.
No, it is manageable.
Nikon sells with USB-C. I'm totally.
Whoa, that's not bad.
That's cool.
What's that? These?
Hey,
Sorry. Yeah, this is
do
just
those
me.
fit my camera?
Yes.
It looks like
Yeah, they fit into your
my Nikon. Yeah.
Oh, you've now. So we're on the tangent now.
Yeah, sorry.
yeah.
The Nikon guys just woken up.
It's not for my camera. I cannot see it, but
ELN15, yes, is for you. You would get 3200.
oh yeah, right.
Yeah, this is for your camera.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this was interesting. I didn't know this existed.
Me too. Yeah, me too.
Sorry,
yeah,
guys.
Sorry. This was just the camera guys here.
Yeah. I don't use my camera a lot these days.
And just to complete this segment of the show, then
Of random crap.
yeah, I also have this.
I was hoping we were.
Finersi also sent me this.
We're done.
So
Is this a Finersi one?
there's another Finersi.
What is-
Oh, is it? No, this
No,
is Zotek. This
yeah,
is Zotek.
Yeah, because I didn't see the brand.
Yeah, Zotek sent me
Yeah,
this
and
one.
Finersi is normally something bluish.
Yeah, but Zotek forgot to put branding
They always do on the thing.
on the test thingies.
On the boxes. The boxes never have a brand on.
Okay, so rated for 48 megasamples, that's fine. 64 kps.
I think this one does something unusual.
It has 10 megahertz, I think. Yeah, 10 M.
I think it has some unusual feature.
You sure? Generator. Oh,
Generator.
Yeah,
This thing.
DAP link.
DAP link. DAP link. What's that?
Isn't that for connecting to a computer, maybe?
This has a DAP link. DAP.
Okay, let's bring out the manual for this one. It comes with a mini BNC connector.
A converter.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've seen one. I know you can get them.
Why didn't they put a normal one in?
Yeah, but look at the size of the thing. That's why.
Yeah.
The connector is almost as thick as the entire thing, so that's why they do this.
And
but-
these days you can easily buy scope probes with those connectors on.
Oh,
This is this DAP link thing.
interesting. Okay, so let's see. DAP. Just
I bet somebody on the chat beats you too with what a DAP link is.
Yeah, I don't have a clue.
Oh, they're not there yet.
Expansion ports. So that's probably the DAP link, I'm guessing. Okay, there we go. Expansion port. Wait, what number was that? Oh no, it didn't have a number. Oh.
What's the model number thing? It's
No scope leads? Oh yeah, there are no scope leads.
Oh yeah.
oh, there's no scope, unless it's one in the bag.
No.
No?
Nope.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, that's a fail.
What's the model number of this?
That's a fail indeed.
That's a good.
You got it in front of you.
No, Carl's got it.
Oh, Carl's doesn't see it. There you go. There you go.
What model number is this thing?
It's Zotek ZT700.
ZT700.
Let's give you.
I say you say Z, I say Z.
Yeah, I'm not British. I have American.
Here we are.
Yeah, we're watching American TV.
This thing.
Oh, it has an S stand.
Okay, stand is a plus.
Yeah, actually, 45-degree viewing angle. Oh, a little less, but so.
Yeah, about €59 with free shipping.
A scope for 59 euros. That's amazing, actually.
Here we go. Here we go.
Well,
portable signal generator, DAP emulator.
What,
so we still don't know what DAP is.
We know it's an emulator for something.
It can emulate a DAP thing.
It's a DAP emulator.
Okay, so DAP. Can you check the specs?
We can. Can we get us on the?
Oh, there.
Can we get us on the screen, Dad?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Oh yeah, no, sorry.
Thank you.
Actually,
So an offline downloader. DAP emulator.
So,
and a picture of a chip.
Oh, this is for us. It's an open source project for ARM that actually acts as interface firmware, allowing debugging the programming of Cortex-1.
There you go. I told you you got
Cortex-M.
something unusual on it.
Oh,
Thanks, Jost.
an extra. Interesting.
Well, I don't do Cortex-M1.
No,
so,
not yet.
Not,
Anyway.
not for me.
I'm thinking of starting FPGA stuff, but it's so daunting. There's so much to learn, especially when AMD took over FPGAs. They reworked the entire software stack, so it's
Not
a
going
pain.
on. No.
It's a pain in the ass.
You know, DAP emulator.
I have a few ideas I want to make through, and the chips don't exist. So
So this is probably debugging and stuff.
yeah,
I'm hoping it might tell us something about it, but it doesn't really.
no,
View more.
yeah. There, scroll to the bottom. I'm guessing where the information
Ah.
should be.
Offline downloader function supports programming of Cortex-M core MCUs without a computer connection.
Okay.
What?
How?
How would you get the software onto the thing and from there onto the CPU? What the heck?
So it's inside the machine already? That sounds.
File management, configuration interface, image selection. Okay, it just looks like it's a...
Yeah, it has a SD slot.
Ah, there you go.
It has a SD slot on the side, so yeah.
Okay, look, download, reset, yeah.
So probably okay. That's not bad.
So is that something unusual? That's why I say it's not just a
Yeah,
technical scope.
it's a shame it doesn't come with a probe though,
Yeah, this is
because that's an extra cost for the customer, and they won't be happy. And most people just order it because they see a probe in the footage.
Yeah.
Based on the ARM DAP protocol, so it's for embedded development and debugging, supporting online debugging, single-step execution, and breakpoint setting.
Scroll a bit down to picture set. It shows... Okay, this is just the...
It shows the thing on
Yeah, this is just a scope. Okay.
Oh, it's a 4-wire interface for.
5 wires.
Is it
Or,
five?
or something, yeah.
It looks. Yeah, well, it has 5.
Probably something on the line, on the ways of SPI.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, I hope you're interested. We'll have this to review.
Couldn't that be JTAG?
Yeah,
I think it
something
is a J. I think it's
JTAG
something
thing could be too,
JTAG.
yeah.
Because Cortex works really fast.
Yeah.
Dynamic zoom in
Not
analysis.
sure,
Yeah.
not sure what we're going to do with that. I mean, this would be great if you have, say, a bunch of them to program, and you simply have this little thing where you simply have one big download button, and so connect,
Look,
go.
if you do embedded programming, this thing is perfect.
Well,
for a hobbyist level, because it has the that thingy, and it has an oscilloscope, so you can troubleshoot the signals. So yeah.
Sensor motor.
10 megahertz is though a little slow for a Cortex CPU.
Yeah, quick access. I went along the adapter plug will last on the meter. Yeah, yeah. Same.
True, that
Yeah,
was
yeah.
a white.
And again, I'd love to have my protocol analyzer. If they're building stuff like this, give me a
Why
protocol
not,
analyzer
yeah.
for the standard stuff like I2C and SPI and UART. That's
Mine,
way more flexible than
Yeah.
doing something specialized that only a Cortex M1 can handle.
Okay. So
my big oscilloscope doesn't even have one, and that sucks because it's clearly capable of it.
Yeah.
It has a lot of space left. I checked the ROM. The ROM is mostly empty. It has like 20% used.
Yeah.
I ripped the ROM out of it and checked it.
If you're going something like debugging or something, go JTech, because JTech is everywhere.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this fixes this product very much onto a Cortex M1.
yeah. Well, €59 this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
I'm not saying this is bad. Yeah, but
Look, what did a scope cost like 3 years ago? It was triple, 4 times the price.
Agreed.
Now you can have it in your hand with a special analyzer and a lot of other functions like a function generator. That's that's about €50 value right there just on the function generator.
Yeah.
So if you need a hobbyist version of an oscilloscope, this is good.
Oh, if you need a good one.
Well,
That one's better because it has all the multimeter and other stuff.
it's quite a bit more money.
Yeah,
It's true.
that is true. These are a little more professional grade because of the shielding and stuff they have as well. But it is useful.
Well, you guys have both got one of these.
Yeah.
You know.
I use mine a lot. I
use
used
mine
it
all the
to
time.
fix my car the other day. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I found a short in one of the grounding wires.
Okay. So I'm not quite sure exactly how to review this DAP analyzer. I can review the scope of the generator,
Yeah.
but I don't really know what to do.
You cannot do the DAP if you don't have a chip with it.
I don't have any.
Okay.
And I don't have any Cortex thingies.
Maybe one of the new Arduino original things, but
I am planning to buy a Cortex-fueled motherboard for my 3D printer.
Well, maybe we can. I'll do a review, and then maybe one of you guys wants to play with that.
no, not for me. No, I am sticking with the old ones. Yeah.
Okay.
Because a microcontroller that does multiple cores and stuff. It's a microcontroller for crying out loud. So no.
Yeah.
Is the Cortex a microcontroller?
It doesn't have MMU, so
Oh,
yes,
okay,
it's micro.
You're right. No, you're right. Actually, yeah.
I read somewhere some clever thing that if it doesn't have a memory management unit, then it's a micro.
Yeah, it has the external memory control. Yeah. True. Yeah, I did not think about that.
Okay, so I'll over the next couple of weeks I'll get those reviewed. So that's that.
That sounds like a good idea.
Okay, yeah. I have one other thing. Unless you guys have got something you want to chat about. Which,
They're asking for the car boot sale. Did
Oh,
you
yeah.
do one this week?
yes, we went this morning.
Yeah. I haven't been like 2-3 months.
Richard missed a great opportunity.
Oh no.
Which one? That?
The thing with the speakers in the cover.
Yeah, it was a portable 1970s. It was a record player, cassette player, radio.
What were you going to do with it?
Well, that's a good question. It was like in the carry case. It had speakers built into the lid and that. It looked like great. I was going to get it just to show you guys, but I wasn't prepared to pay more than €20 for it.
And they wanted
50.
25.
25 they got down
okay.
to, but I still. So if it's still there next week, I might just get that.
With a real steel, there was a Yamaha organ thing
With foot pedals.
and 2 manuals thing, a Center's keyboard. I don't know.
And he said it wasn't.
How they were called. I don't know. In German, I'd say Heimorgan. You'd say in German.
Okay.
Home organ.
Yeah.
Thing. This is a translation.
And he
Please
said
help me out here, people.
Don't ask me. Music.
I should have taken some photos of it. He said it wasn't working.
I didn't snap photos.
He said it
yet.
wasn't working.
Yeah.
He originally said he wanted 50 for it. They said 40. And then he said, make us an offer.
Yeah.
So if it's not working, it's normally quite easy as long as it's not a proprietary chip.
Yeah, both of us looking at the same power supply.
It usually is.
yeah, with this old stuff. Yeah.
Or something related to the power supply.
But I did get some
Plugs and stuff.
I did get some photos of the thing that they wanted €25 for. And I didn't want to pay.
Holy crap.
So
That's old.
This is one of the photos.
Oh, sorry. I'm just putting away your little finger here.
Can we read that at all?
No,
No.
we can't.
It says Sonny Vox, and the model number
Zoom in, please. Thank you.
NQ6000. Look, 29 transistors, 24 diodes.
Wow.
It has a radio, medium wave. It had 2 short wave bands and FM.
Do we have a photo of the whole thing? Because
Yes, we do.
The things they don't. That this is not. The,
Yeah, we do have a photo of the whole thing.
This is you.
Oh, that's me. That's a photo of the whole thing.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, and no Bluetooth.
Yeah.
That's a photo of the whole thing. So we can see the turntable,
That's cool.
the cassette player,
That's what I thought, and I was a bit irritated that you didn't jump on that.
the radio, and then underneath this is like. Did I get another photo?
Yeah.
No, that was it.
No, it's for anymore.
It has speakers underneath them.
Yeah. So there's a lid which fits on. The speakers are built into the lid. So this has you can probably just see at the front has like a carry
So
handle.
this is 60s, 70s.
70s, I would say, probably.
Was it?
Yeah, brush metal. Yeah, 70s. Yeah.
And cassette. Cassettes weren't really out to the beginning of the 70s.
True.
There's 4-track before that, and reel to reel. So yeah, so this is the Sonny Vox. And I said, I could have had it for 25. If he's still there next week, I'm going to have another go.
There's not a lot of people that are interested in
this
those.
sort of
That's
stuff.
true.
Yeah, so you can be lucky.
You can add Bluetooth.
Yeah. My hobby though, everyone wants them, so they're always out.
Look at the photos. Actually, you show them this. So we spotted these at the shop. Bestial mix.
Okay.
Naming.
Maybe
Bestial mix.
Yeah, maybe nobody did English here in school when they named that.
A bit of bestiality.
Yeah.
You got jungly. There's be hungly. Hungly in Spanish, wasn't it? Extra fine and hungly.
Dinosaurus.
The dinosaur.
And
Oh,
31 degrees.
this
Yeah.
this is where we went out last Sunday, by the way. 31 degrees.
Oh no, you're doxing us.
Oh,
No, it's not like no one knows who we are.
This is Raya, one of our cats. When it was 31 degrees, she was in the garden. She got between 2 plant pots, and that was it.
She didn't get any food.
Yeah, I've seen her outside near my parents' house. My parents would live right in front of Richard, by the way.
Yeah, look. This is Raya. You know why she's called Raya, don't you? R-A-Y-A.
Line or yeah, striped.
Line or striped Raya. That's hence her name.
Yeah, good. Fitting.
Yeah, 31 degrees we had there last Sunday.
And it was nice.
That was lovely.
Yeah, my back relaxes when it's hot, nice and hot. I use a electric blanket on my back when I sit down at the computer at home. So.
Can we get this on the bench?
Oh crap. Well,
Before you throw anything on here, mate, just wait for us, please.
Can we get this on the desk?
yeah,
It's on the desk,
It
but-
is on the desk.
I can't show you that because
It's too big.
I can't go anywhere with this.
Okay, so
Can
We
try
can
the-
plug it in.
is it?
Yeah,
Is this
I
a
don't-
silver
I don't
or
see-
a minor?
I don't see anything on the overhead. No, this doesn't work.
The camera next to you.
There's nothing that I can film this
Okay.
with.
No, it's too close.
Yeah, and
Okay,
I don't have a wide angle lens on this
Okay,
one.
one moment.
This is max I can do.
Yeah, there. Leave it there. Okay, that's enough, Richard.
That's it.
Yeah, a little bit.
So the guy from Galdar who brings me quite a lot of amplifiers, Sodiada, he works in various places. He was working in the basement of a supermarket, a well-known supermarket, and he found this, and he's now acquired it.
Is this a server of some kind or
No.
a minor?
Switch it on.
Chris says he found a Sunny Vox, the thing you showed them right now, for 350 quid.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we maybe want to buy this.
Maybe
next
we'll
week.
buy this next week.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a server, a 1U server.
It's not a server. Press the button, the on button.
Oh, it has batteries. Holy crap!
Move.
Broken fans.
It says bat, full, load, zero.
UPS.
It's a UPS. But then, if you wait, it just goes off like that.
Standby, I think SD.
Yeah, standby.
And then switches
Shut down,
off.
shut down. SD is shut down.
So batteries are full, so it's
Well, it
not
looks like
broken.
the batteries are full.
Oh yeah, and the XT90 connector here, or 80, 60 maybe.
Yeah, so there's a...
There is a lot of inputs on the back or outputs.
so there's that's the front panel.
Okay, so it looks a little bit more professional.
It's got a model on it.
Twin RT. So this is a dual output then, I'm guessing.
Well, if I can turn it round.
Yeah, try to do that, I guess.
The weight of this thing.
Yeah,
Let's wait a ton.
I can't help you a lot with this because...
That's the other side of it.
Yeah, and these are the outputs, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
The shake woke it up.
Oh, the shaking it woke it up.
Okay, so inputs there, yeah. This is a...
Yeah, this is the mains input. It's a space plug.
And this is an output from the same one, so you can
Pass through.
daisy chain them.
Daisy chain them.
And it has all these outputs to computers and stuff, especially computers.
And it says
72
volts, 50 amps.
No, yeah, 72 volts, 50 amps, yeah. And it has something behind here.
It's probably optional.
Yeah.
There's some labels on here.
Programmer, okay. Programmable output.
Yeah.
So, and this is a little weird. Has two
Intelligent slot. Where's the dump slot then?
200 megabit connectors.
Yes, this is network. So you need to be able to watch this.
Yeah, you can probably control it via network.
Yeah, of course.
He says it won't charge. That's what he said to me.
The battery showed full,
It does show full. That's what I'm thinking.
so that's why it's
And
not
there's
charging.
a label here.
That's probably why
The
it's
plate
not
covers an external battery connection, says
charging. Oh, okay.
Chris. Thank you, Chris.
There's some stickers here with models and things. There you go.
So this is a
There.
rack style UPS.
That says it's a DUPS, a dead UPS.
It's not dead.
Can we get anywhere onto this label? This model number and stuff like this here.
Maybe.
That's it.
Let's see. Oh, there we go. Good job. So 3000 watts. Okay, that's good.
230 volt AC, 13.6 amp, 3000 VA, 3000
So
watt.
you can hit 16 amps of 2.
So this is basically, it's like an inverter, isn't it? But it's a UPS.
Yeah,
So it checks when the power's off and then this runs.
this kicks on them.
It's
But-
basically asked me if I can repair it, but I don't know if there's anything wrong with it.
No, because it showed the battery was full, but the other side showed empty. Wait, let me check the display.
Okay, let me just turn it round again.
Yeah.
It says lead
Oh,
acid
lead
battery.
acid battery.
Oh, that's why it's heavy.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to turn it round again now?
Yeah, I just want to see the display once more. Sorry, Rich.
No, it's fine.
Making you work. Okay, so it shows battery full and the load is empty. You know,
Yeah.
so why would it charge if it's full?
So why wouldn't it work?
It is working.
It is working.
Plug in something on the.
I haven't got a suitable bleed to do that with. You know, like the male to female.
Oh, you don't have the female plug thingy.
Yeah, the male to
Chris,
female.
Chris says probably have to press and hold the power connector to get it start without mains connected.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Can we get it?
Working on it. It beeped
that was a beep.
and stayed on.
Oh.
Then we clicked on.
Then what's that?
77 volts, 77.5. So it is fully charged, yeah.
It stayed on now.
And it says 3 hours, 0.3 hours. So it has 3 hour runtime.
0.3 hours.
Yeah, no, it says 0.3. So there's
3
no,
hours runtime.
yeah.
At the current load,
Mhm.
which is no load. So it's probably working. Yeah.
I would say it's working.
Was it worth it?
Probably. There's not much you can do with this thing. Output 200 and
There's no load. Let's see if the battery is old. Says Greg.
yeah. So we need to load it with something, but the
Yeah.
problem is you don't have the leads.
I have the connector, the IECs. I'd have to make it with male to female.
Yeah. Ron says you have to put a load on there to see what the battery state is.
Yeah, but if they're lead acid, they're accumulator batteries, just like the ones you bought.
Yes.
So there should be 4 of them inside here. My guess, or maybe 6.
That's 48. 6 of them.
Yeah, 6,
72
yeah.
volts. 6 of them, 72 volts.
Yeah, 6 of them. So that makes not economical to fix.
It feels heavy enough to have that many batteries.
Yeah. Now, is it worth fixing? Because every accumulator costs about 50 euros, right?
Yeah, 40. I think 37 each.
Yeah, 37. So 40 each. That's about
240 euro.
yeah for about 3,000 watts. Yeah, it could be worth because a UPS of 3,000 watts cost about a grand.
Okay.
So yeah, it's worth fixing if you need
You
it.
can sell it.
Why
Yeah.
do you think
Or-
the batteries are down though? Because the batteries are fully charged.
Yeah, no, I think the batteries are
But
fine.
there's no load in there, so we don't. We have
Yeah,
no clue what
so
the,
that's the
status.
problem with cars as well. They can show full charge but still be damaged, so
Yeah.
they don't charge correctly.
So
So yeah, true. I agree with you there.
yeah, so
I would change the fan in this thing though.
Yeah. So I
You
have.
think?
Yeah, there.
Look,
There's your connector.
I have them here, male, female.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just need to make a lead up. Oh, with 2 mains plugs. Okay. I put a light bulb on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was the idea, actually.
Okay, I'm moving here
Yeah.
just by chance.
Okay. One light bulb.
Do not do this at home.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
we
Don't do like we do.
We are professional dumbasses.
I can't easily get as close enough to do it. I can try.
Oh shit.
No, not that way around.
No, I can't
Rich,
film it.
Rich,
What?
do not plug it in before, because we don't know if that is powered while it's off.
Yeah, if there's some residual
So
voltage
connect it
out
to
there.
the light
Connect it
first.
to the light bulb.
Yeah,
Yeah.
above 5 volts warning. Thank you, Eric.
Yeah, 240 at least.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the light bulb and you.
No, I need to put something on these to stop this from shorting to each
Okay,
other.
somebody shouldn't touch anything metal, so this would probably be
Yep.
me.
So this is what we're doing. Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to show this to people.
Yeah. No. Okay, so this is a dumb idea.
This is a effing dumb idea, guys.
Yeah.
Whose ideas actually was it?
Mine.
Someone in the
Carlos's.
yeah, someone in the chat.
But I'm high. You shouldn't listen to me.
Yeah, we never listen to you.
Yeah.
I don't know what happens here.
Okay, so that's one. Surely this makes it fairly safe.
We only have yellow one. Oh damn, Lon, that never will work. Only yellow electrical tape for science, for knowledge.
Yeah, this is for science.
This is from the car boot sale.
Oh.
Green stripes would be extravagant. You know, yellow and green stripes.
Yeah, I know. I usually buy that one.
That is black. White
Okay, so that can go in there.
Yeah.
I don't think this is going to short out onto this. No.
No.
So that can go on there.
Then no one needs to touch it. Okay.
Nobody needs to touch it.
Okay, I'll turn it on.
Okay. I'll start down here. Okay.
Oh no, I did it. There, it's on.
It's not doing anything.
No power.
No power.
Oh,
Oh,
there
whoa!
we go. Okay, switch on. It works.
It works.
Okay, let's see the load. So
72 watts.
it says 76 volts. Let's see.
But it must be mains voltage. The light's bright enough.
Yeah. I'm just trying to find a way to display the wattage it's drawing.
Yeah, well, the fixer actually this isn't as dangerous as working on real live wires because you can't simply touch one side.
1 amp.
1 amp.
Yep.
Because this is just isolated from mains.
Well, that's a 72 watt light bulb, so it shouldn't be drawing 1 amp. Oh, 1 amp off the 72 volts. Yes.
Yeah.
It's a 72 watt bulb.
Yeah,
And it's drawing 1 amp from the 72 volts.
Yeah.
Exactly correct.
Yep, that is correct. I'll turn it off now. Wait until it stops making noises.
Well, the bulb's gone out. That's usually a good sign.
Yeah.
So it works.
So it heated up as well this time because it took longer to turn off the fan. Okay, that's good.
So just noisy fans.
Yeah, but that's easy fix.
Yeah.
And the lead acid batteries look to be supplying enough current.
Yeah. Yeah, the fact we got 1 amp from a 72 watt light bulb from a
That's-
72 volt supply
Yeah.
is exactly right.
Yeah, correct.
Hey.
It works, so there's nothing wrong.
Yeah, but it's not mine, it says his, but
Yeah. but connect it to mains to see if it charges. But it is fully charged now, so you have to drain it a bit.
Yeah, so what I need to do is get one of these weird power connectors.
Yeah, the square ones.
Does anybody know what they are?
No, it looks like the Molex ones, but...
So the mains leads input
is a squarish...
It's a squarish
PC connector, pretty much.
Well, so it's not an EU connector, it's
no, because it looks like this, but yeah, a lot larger.
So what was that?
I've never seen that connector before.
Input. No. IEC 191, I think. Chris, aren't we?
Okay. 19. This was the I after that, yeah.
Oh, IEC
19I.
I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
IEC 19. Okay. Yeah. It should be easier.
Why do they use these kind of connectors
this is for
72 volts?
There's not 72 volts. The battery is 72 volts. The main output is 240 volt mains.
Okay, good.
Yeah. So the 1 amp draw was at.
This was what you saw there. Okay, so now I get it.
And it was a 72 watts, so
it was drawing 1 amp from the battery.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, at the mains,
then
less
fine,
than it's about 300 milliamps. At 240 volt. Yeah, do the math there.
So it's fine. Really.
So all we need to do is find one of these plugs, make a lead up.
Yeah, and try.
Tell the man from Galda he should go back to the Mercadona and see if there's some.
Yeah, if he can nick the mains lead as well.
The mains lead are lying around there.
Now
the output will be passed through. Yeah, of course.
The control software for this will be probably impossible to find because these are proprietary systems.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Oh, this is programmed via a serial port.
True.
It's a serial port.
Shouldn't be that hard to fix, but they do have networking as well and USB. So I'm pretty sure there is software for all 3 inputs.
Okay, so.
Or get it over network running. Yeah. Then you need the controller software for that. Yeah. Too.
EPO. What's that?
72 volts to the output of 230 volts. Yes, battery. Yeah, exactly, Dutch lady. Exactly. So he's acquired this. He acquired it.
Yeah.
He sent me some photos, sort of saying, "Rich, what's this? You had any idea?" And I told him. First, I said an inverter, and then I said, "Oh, a UPS." And
you're not wrong in either case.
And then he turned up with it.
Yeah, you shake it.
You shake it and it comes on.
Yeah.
We can always use this as a nice door stopper.
Yeah. It weighs enough.
Yeah.
Oh my God! The weight of
this. Stops a bit big door.
This is heavy. This is really stupidly heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I can't help you carry that.
Oh, that's heavy.
That is for sure.
There's a serious weight in that thing. Okay. 8 minutes to go. Ask us anything.
Oh, 8 minutes. Nice. Time for
mine's evaporated.
What?
Mine evaporated. Look. C'est evaporo. Is that correct? C'est evaporo. C'est evaporo. My drink is evaporated. It's evaporated.
That power supply is almost as heavy as the new Blackview phone.
So if you were to buy one of these,
close.
Yeah. So if you were to buy something like this, it would cost you money.
Yeah, about $1,000.
Yeah.
But they usually are powered by lithium nowadays. So
okay.
It's a bit hard to find a lead acid one.
Yeah.
But you can power a house even from that.
What was that funny connector, that IEC thing?
IEC 19.
Okay. Oh, it's come up.
Yeah.
IEC 19 plug.
So.
No.
It was in the search results.
Cameras making.
I would go Google this time because these plugs are probably rare.
Go to Google.
Yeah.
Okay, one moment. Get rid of some of these. Open the tab. IEC.
IEC 19.
Okay.
Cable socket. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
So, well done. It is an IEC 19.
100%.
Plug. These are sockets, Luke.
And the IC 20 is the female one.
Yeah, there's a. Yeah, like this thing. That's a British one.
Yeah, but this is a extension lead with
No, that's mains. That's mains plug too.
This is an extension lead.
What do you mean extension? It's an
extension.
Yeah, it's a power lead.
Power lead.
It's a power lead.
Well, yeah.
That's what he needs. So he needs an IEC 19 power lead.
Yeah. Good job, guys.
Yeah.
So Eric asked, so Carlos, you were saying the Blackview phone is like a weapon.
Yeah, not mine specifically, but the new one Richard reviewed.
That's gone to the UK to
Yeah, it's a brick that weighs
650 grams.
Yeah, I was contemplating buying it from Rich to replace mine because it has newer version of Android, and I can't upgrade the Android on mine.
Yeah.
There is no more firmware updates.
Yeah, Dale took it to the UK with
Yeah,
him. So.
but considering the thickness was this thick, it was double the thickness of mine, and mine is already chunky. So no, I can't go around with that in my pants. I'm going to lose my pants.
Yeah, yeah. This is what I said. Yeah,
Yeah.
and you don't want to wear this around your neck because you would probably run around like this.
Especially me with my bad back.
Yeah. And strangely, although like the weather is absolutely crap in England most of the time, there's more people doing these outdoor stuff and going up to the mountains. I mean,
hey, they get bored indoors all year long. Same thing happens in Sweden.
Whereas the weather's gorgeous here, but it's difficult to sell that rugged thing.
When I saw this, I thought, okay, this puts an end to doom scrolling because after 5 minutes your hand is so tired.
Yeah, you can't scroll.
You can't scroll anymore. Yeah.
Could it be a design feature?
yeah. Probably all new phones need.
Oh yeah,
needs
mate,
to be
give
at least
kids
half a
phones
kilo,
that weigh like half a kilo or so. That'll stop them doing
They did that when I was young.
Oh yeah, they did actually. Yeah, but you didn't have.
The thing is waterproof. You can throw it in the water. You can use it as a small boat anchor. You know.
Yeah.
Without
any issues.
Would work. Yeah.
It's made of metal completely as well.
Don't forget to wear safety shoes because if this hits your toes,
it can probably break a toe.
Break a toe, yeah.
But
this is painful.
But for zombies, it's quite good.
Yeah. For the apocalypse, it's the perfect phone.
Yeah, and you can charge other stuff from it.
Yeah,
so,
probably for a year or so.
Yeah. It is a battery back.
Anyway, it's gone back. It's gone to the UK.
It's like gluing this thing to
a phone.
Oh yes, this was probably
the thickness was
design study. Yeah,
the phone wasn't far off that.
Yeah, no, it was not far off at all. Actually, it sounds like a joke, but it wasn't.
It's true. It's true. So
sell it for €1 per 100 grams. Nice one.
Yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
No, I'm happy to let go to fair price.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So
4 minutes.
Did we cause any absolute mayhem today?
We always do.
There was no vodka involved, so
it's in the fridge. Damn.
Give it to Carlos.
Yeah, I drink that stuff.
Yeah, that's perfect with your meds.
Yeah, I'm probably not waking up anytime soon if I drink that.
No.
I'm taking 6 different pills now, and all of them have the no driving sign on it.
No, I only put the video on last time with somebody with a bottle of rum at the carnival, didn't I? That one.
What did you drink there? Rum? Was it rum?
It was rum.
Okay.
Arucas rum it was.
Arucas.
Yeah, the sweet honey rum.
This was made on the island.
No, this was rum rather than the.
Oh no,
it wasn't. Not rum me out. It was just rum.
Yeah. Okay, the strong stuff.
Yeah. Occasionally,
nice of you to be around.
Yeah,
it was. Yeah,
it was a while ago.
The fixer. No, I don't put any videos out anymore. Sorry, mate. YouTube is a thing of the past for me.
I'm trying to get into it again because I got in a rut and I failed several times on different projects. I have recorded like 6 videos, but every time I sit down to edit them, I just fail, so I give up. But I do have a plan to fix the Vectrex now in a few days. So.
I just go like, what the hell are we going to publish it anyway?
Yeah, no, I shouldn't be so picky, but actually it turned out like shit.
Oh, okay.
So no one would watch.
Oh, at least somebody asked about the band, so now you need to sit through this.
That becomes outtakes.
Yeah, I needed to move on. This was holding me back. And we have plans with some people to do a bit more streamlined and a bit more fun. And Joey, get to the island, mate. I need what do we need? What do you play? You play guitar and bass, right? Well, we'll figure something out.
What, both at the same time? Well, we got 2 hands, I suppose.
Yeah, I can't help you with the music stuff because I'm tone deaf.
Yeah, me too. That's a good name for your band, Tone Deaf.
I still
with the DEF like as in Def Leppard.
I still think Secondhand Villains would be nice, but the Germans won't understand. Secondhand Rascals. Nah, the Germans won't understand this one word. And my money is still on Stinky Blue. I love this one. Makes everybody laugh.
It worked.
Yeah.
It worked.
Or Skunk Attack. A sort of Skunk Attack. Yeah, it sounds nice too.
Second-hand Rascals is a good one. Second-hand Villains.
You do your own band, man.
Yeah, true. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll leave it at that then.
Yeah, I think we're done. We just started early, we end early, right?
Yep. Something
Okay.
like that. No, it's 7. We're done. See you all soon. 2 weeks,
Thanks for
guys.
staying with us. And
Yeah,
we'll
always
see
fun,
you
guys.
all in 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And yeah, stay healthy, stay safe, and don't drop heavy phones on your feet.
True.